G'day, it's Chef Jason here, and welcome to The Great Bite. Here we share love for all things culinary, including history, recipes, and stories. So don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. 10 Common Cooking Myths Debunked. Cooking has been passed down from generation to generation for thousands of years. Along the way, plenty of advice has become accepted as fact, even when science and experience tells us otherwise. Some of these myths can waste your time, ruin your food, or even make cooking more difficult than it needs to be. Today, we're separating fact from fiction by debunking 10 of the most common cooking myths. You may be surprised by how many you believe for years. Searing meat locks in the juices. Perhaps the most famous cooking myth of all is that searing meat seals in the surface and locks in all the juices. It sounds logical, right? A hot pan creates a brown crust, so it must trap moisture, right? Well, not exactly. The delicious brown crust comes from what's known as the Maillard reaction, a series of chemical reactions between amino acids and sugars that create hundreds of flavorful compounds. While searing dramatically improves flavor and texture, it doesn't create a waterproof barrier. Moisture continues to escape throughout cooking. The real reason to sear meat is simple: better taste, not more juice. You should never wash mushrooms. Many cooks have heard that mushrooms absorb water like sponges and should only be brushed clean. In reality, mushrooms absorb surprisingly little water during a quick rinse. A brief wash under cold water won't make them soggy. The key is to rinse them quickly and dry them with paper towels before cooking. In fact, washing often removes dirt much more effectively than brushing alone. Salt makes water boil faster. People often add salt to pasta water believing it speeds up boiling. Technically, salt actually raises water's boiling point. The amount of salt used in cooking raises the temperature by such a tiny amount that has virtually no practical effect. If anything, heavily salted water takes a tiny bit longer to reach its higher boiling point. We salt pasta water because it seasons the pasta, not because it boils faster. You must flip a steak only once. Many grilling enthusiasts insist that flipping steak multiple times ruins it. Modern cooking experiments have shown the opposite. Turning a steak every 30 to 60 seconds often helps it cook more evenly and can reduce overcooking around the edges. The number of flips matter far less than achieving the proper internal temperature. A thermometer beats tradition every time. Olive oil should never be used for high heat cooking. Extra virgin olive oil is often said to burn instantly under high heat. While every oil has a smoke point, good quality extra virgin olive oil is far more heat stable than many people think. It performs well for sauteing, roasting, and most everyday cooking. Only extremely high temperature methods like certain styles of deep frying or restaurant level searing may call for oils with higher smoke points. For most home kitchens, olive oil is perfectly suitable. Fresh vegetables are always more nutritious than frozen. Fresh sounds healthier, but that's not always true. Frozen vegetables are usually picked at peak ripeness and frozen within hours. This process locks in nutrients remarkably well. Fresh produce, on the other hand, may spend days or even weeks being transported and displayed before reaching your kitchen. In many cases, frozen vegetables contain just as many vitamins and sometimes even more than the fresh ones. Chicken must be washed before cooking. This is one myth that can actually make your kitchen less safe. Washing raw chicken spreads tiny droplets of contaminated water around your sink, countertops, and nearby utensils. Cooking, not washing, is what kills harmful bacteria. Simply pat the chicken dry if needed and cook it to the proper internal temperature. Skip the rinse. The more garlic, the better. Garlic is delicious, but more isn't always better. Too much garlic can overpower other flavors and make dishes taste harsh or bitter. The goal isn't to taste only garlic, it's to create balance. Professional chefs often use garlic to support the overall flavor rather than dominate it. Sometimes one clove is all a dish needs. Cast iron is impossible to care for. Many people avoid cast iron because they believe it's difficult to maintain. In reality, modern cast iron is surprisingly easy to care for. Wash it with warm water, and yes, a small amount of mild soap is perfectly acceptable if needed. Dry it immediately. Apply a very thin layer of oil before storing, and that's usually all it takes. With proper care, a cast iron skillet can last for generations. Expensive knives stay sharp forever. A premium chef's knife is a wonderful investment, but no knife stays sharp forever. Every cut against a cutting board slowly wears away the edge. Professional chefs regularly hone their knives to keep the edge aligned and sharpen them whenever the edge becomes dull. A well-maintained, affordable knife will outperform an expensive, neglected one every single time. Cooking is full of traditions, but not every tradition is backed by science or experience. Questioning common advice helps you become a more confident cook, make better decisions in the kitchen, and improve your results. The best cooks never stop learning. They experiment, and they test ideas, and they let evidence guide their techniques instead of relying solely on old kitchen myths. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below. This is Chef Jason, and remember, love is the secret ingredient.